summation notation, there's a big capital E, and that's the Greek letter called sigma. And the I is the index associated with the variable, and that's where you start. And n is the variable, and that's where you end. And so the idea of summation notation is a compact way of writing the following sum. So I replaces the 1, so a to 1, you add, because that's the sum, till you get to the variable, it tells you to stop. The difference between the arithmetic series and geometric series is that the arithmetic is the sum of all of the numbers, and geometric series is the number of terms. And Sn equals n, a to 1 plus a to n divided by 2 is the arithmetic series, and the n is the number of terms, and a to 1 is the last term. A to 1 is the first term, a to n is the last term. And the Sn equals a to 1, parentheses 1 minus r to the power n minus 1 minus r. So 1 minus r n is the number of terms, a to 1 is the first term, Sn is the sum of terms. There are two ways to solve number 7a and 7b. One way is to do the summation notation. Is your variable is 15 and your index is associated with the variable, so it's 1, and it's I squared, so 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared dot 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 to 15 squared. And so we get 1 squared. 1 times 1 squared is 1, 2 times 2 squared is 4, 3 times 3 is 9. And so we get 1 plus 4 plus 9, and so on and so on. And we get 1,240 apples. The second way to do it is to look at it if it's an arithmetic series or geometric series. And so we found out that it is a geometric series. And we did n parentheses n plus 1 to n plus 1 divided by 6, and you get s is 15 equals 15 plus 15 plus 1. 2 times parentheses 15 plus 1, you get 15 times 16, 30 plus 1, so 240 times 31. So we got 7,440 divided by 6 equals 1,240 apples. On January 1st, you deposit $6,000 in a retirement account that pays 7% annual interest. You make this deposit each January 1st for the next 32 years. So we did year 1, 6,000 plus year 2, 6,420. You times that with $1.07. And you add year 3 by 6,869.4. And then a to 32. So it's a geometric series, and then we have r equals 1.07. So since it's a geometric series, you do your work, so you get 6,000 minus 1 minus 1.707 to the power of 32, 1 minus 1.07. And so my answer is 6,661,308.93. Two ways to solve 8b, and what we did was we did S31 equals 6,000, 1 minus 1.07 to the power of 31 over 1 minus 1.07, and we got 612,438.25. We minused it to the 31st year, and we got 48,870.68. And it grows the most in the last year because it gains the most compound interest.